Hello, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jocelyn T. Ignacio, the Chief Executive Officer, and I will be the one to present to you the financial statement and also the closing part. Our Chief Operating Officer is Jamie Joy M. De Pena, and she will discuss the name of our product. Melanie G. Talosig, as Chief Technology Officer, will present to you our logo. Carolina M. Narag and Marites M. Soriano, they are both responsible to discuss to you the background of our product.
So why our brand name is Ampalaya Cake? Ampalaya cake is a cake prepared using ampalaya as a primary ingredient and the typical cake ingredients. It have many nutrients compared to other cakes. Ampalaya is recommended by many people to help cure a problem of a person. Why not make it dessert since a lot of people like desserts? With this kind of desserts, we might cut kids like ampalaya since kids like to eat cakes. Yes, ampalaya is bitter, but when we made it, it tastes good cause it does not taste bitter even there are bits of ampalaya. That's why we called it as ampalaya cake.
Bittersweet Bakery. Bittersweet is a combination of bitter and sweet. Bitter because of our unique flavor, which is ampalaya, while sweet because it is cake. Bittersweet Bakery is a totally gluten-free bakery, specializing in fresh baked goods since 2020. Bittersweet prides itself that everything we offer will be fresh baked. Our unique bakery offers gluten-free, dairy-free products, and unique flavor such as ampalaya. We are confident that our food tastes delicious. You don't have to eat grainy, dry, and tasteless gluten-free food anymore. Ampalaya is bitter, but this ampalaya cake is sweet and very tasty because of its ingredients. We choose ampalaya because of its high nutritional value. It is cheap and usually just found in home garden or backyard, and it also readily available in the market as a raw material. It have many nutrients compared to other cakes. Ampalaya is recommended by many people to help cure a problem of a person. Why not make it a dessert since a lot of people likes to eat desserts? With this kind of dessert, we might get kids like ampalaya since kids like to eat cakes. To our core of passion in baking, we decided to formulate a brilliant innovation on the conventional cake. In line with that we came up with a twist on the product by making the ordinary cake became as ampalaya cake or also known as bitter melon cake. Offering this cake to our target market, it shall integrate the interpretation of every individual that ampalaya or bitter melon is very hard to eat since it has a bitter taste. We, as an innovator to this product, has confidence that this kind of product will not be pleasing and appetizing. Nevertheless, it will also have healthy components that will add to its uniqueness and quality respectively ahead of the rest. Now we proceed to budgetary requirements. So under budgetary requirements, we have equipment, materials, expenses, and licensing. In budgetary requirements, as you can see, there is a table which is divided into two columns. In first column, it presented there the description of the budgetary requirements, while in second column was the suggested retail price of each items. So in equipment, we have 6 items which we can use to start the business, and it already presented there the price. Same with the materials. As we can see, it already listed all the possible expenses, same with expenses related to licensing. Then it already presented in the table the estimated amount that we need to use. We also made already the table for the projection of sales, and it shows there the raw materials, cost of production, delivery, and the depreciation value. So the estimated amount for the projection of sales was 21,680 pesos and 50 cents. When you taste our mouth-watering creations, you won't believe that they are gluten-free and made up with unique flavor like ampalaya. We create a wide variety of items including breads, to birthday cakes, and wedding cakes. There's something for everyone. Even you're not gluten-free or you are one of those people who are health conscious, you will enjoy our products. So what are you waiting for? Taste it and you will love it.